Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here with businesswithtrading.com, doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the 17th of November, Monday. And today was another good day in the markets. It was very interesting. The market did gap down, fairly decent amount, and basically chopped. It was very choppy, very ugly in the beginning, and it didn't really get that much better. It got a little bit better, but not really that much better. We were able to make 4 trades today and pull 8 points out of the market. Our first trade was right up here. We grabbed a short, which actually was right here, and we were able to ride that down, taking profit on the way down. And then the market did come back up and just chopped around a little bit. As the market did come down, we got long, and we were able to ride that up, taking partial profit out, and then the market did roll back over, and it is what it is. And then the market did come down a little bit more. We got long again, actually right up here. We were able to take profit off, and then it actually did roll over again, and we got long one more time, and we were able to take profits up in here. So it was pretty good. Market did come up a little more, and it did come back down, and it just got a little bit uglier. In here it was seemed pretty obvious what it was doing. And then it got ugly again. So it was very ugly over here. We didn't make our first trade till a little after 10, actually 10:15 to be exact, which was right here, is where we got short at. So within the span from 10:15 till a few minutes before 11, less than an hour. That was what we did. We made 8 points. And it is what it is. I try to be cautious. I try to, see what I'm seeing. A lot of people can't wait this long to make a trade. You're watching from 9:30 when the market opens. Obviously I have my software up. I'm watching the market before 9:30. Because if you just jump in at 9:30, you don't really have a plan or anything. So you have to get in there, and that's what I do. That's what the trading room is for. So I get in there, I see the best levels, I see what I'm looking at, the best way to trade the system, and then I can go from there and say, well, I like this, I don't like this, and that's what it's all about. So we're basically watching the market until 10:15. Then we make our trade, then we sit on our hands again for 20 minutes, or probably more like 18 minutes, and then we make some more trades. But it's trading is one of those businesses where you really have to be patient. You have some businesses out there that if you're patient you just get killed, and then other businesses where you have to be patient, like poker, for example. There are a lot of people out there. If when I say a lot, it's not like a ton, but it's more than a few. People out there that make a living playing poker. But they have it down to a science. They know the probabilities of things, and they do the mathematics in their head. They see it and they do it. Whereas trading, it's not so much mathematical in my opinion. A lot of the indicators, the stuff out there that a lot of people like to use that's popular, it's very mathematical, but do most people that use it make money with it? That's kind of what you have to look at it like. Anybody can make money with anything in the right system, the right methodology. But you really have to look and see what is best for you. For me, this is my best style. It's very relaxed. I never people in the room, people that I've coached before, always tell me, you have a great mindset, you're very patient. How do you do that? And it can definitely be learned. Any skill in the world can be learned. I don't really care what other people say. Some people teaching psychology are full of crap. Some people still teach Freudian psychology, and everything he's ever talked about has been proven false. Does that mean the person's a bad person? Not really. It just means that maybe they just don't know. Because they haven't kept up in their industry. It's really important to know what's going on, to see what's happening, and to relate that to the market. Market environments change, and it's important to notice that. If the market environment changes, what does that mean? And that's another reason, why a lot of people don't really do that well, because the market environment changes, and they don't recognize that. The way that I trade works in every single market, but certain markets you can be a little more aggressive, and other markets you want to be a little more conservative, and you want to know how to do that. And that's what I teach a lot. So tonight I'm sending out in my newsletter a special offer. If you're not part of the newsletter, just send me an email, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. I'll tell you about it. It's not anything that I'm trying to hide from anyone, but I just want to make it special to the newsletter subscribers. So anyway, with that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. If you have any questions, you can put them under the video. If they don't pertain to the video, you can always email me, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. Again, have an awesome night, and I'll see you back here in the markets.